Shut up and sit down.
Yo people, and welcome back to another juice review, and this time we're going to take a look at some Nic salts. Now I use Nic salts daily, 10mg, 20mg, but I don't do that many reviews on it. So today we're taking a look at a company called No Frills. This is their salts range and also their original range, and this one's called Black Razz. 10ml bottle, 50-50, 20mg, you've got your childproof cap, all the warnings, everything that should be there is there. What have we got this on? We've got it on the Nautilus Prime, coming out at 25 watts at 1 ohm. Let's give it a vape and see what we think. This is really nice, and as you can see from the bottle, there's not that much left in there at all. It's a blackberry and a raspberry. Now the blackberry is like, you know when you used to go for a walk and you could just pick it off the bush and eat it? You've got a little bit of a tartness to it, but not too much. It's only just a slight little bit, but that raspberry comes underneath it and gives it a nice sweetness. It's really well blended. It's really nice. It's smooth. It's Nic salts, so obviously you think it's going to be smooth, but it's not chemically. It's nice and smooth. So you're getting that blackberry, and then you're getting a raspberry underneath it. If you're into your berries, this one's going to be for you. Now, I'll let my dad try this, and my dad's a little bit funny with e-liquids, and he thought that were absolutely lovely, so you're on to a winner. Now, if you have tried this, or if you buy this and you do try it, please let me know down in the comments what you think. Really nice berry, well mixed, really like it, and I'm going to be getting some more of that. That's definitely going to be one of my all-day vapes. I really do like that. Now, I got this sent in by the Vaping Style. Make sure you go and check them out. The lovely people. Obviously, I can't leave any links down in the descriptions. But if you do a little bit of Google foo, you can go find them. Vaping Style. Yes, big love, Gem. So yeah, big thumbs up for the Black Razz. I was going to call it Blue Razz then, but no, Black Razz. Well, this has been another review by Little Bro. If you've liked the review, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the subscribe buttons in the corner. Give it a little press and get me to that new magic number. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Go and hit me up, people. And there's one last thing to say. Keep them juices flowing. I don't know what that's about. Don't forget to check out my latest video. Also, don't forget to check out 3 Men and a Vape Show live at 8 PM every Wednesday. And also, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, ring that notification bell, and we'll catch you later.